In this module, we will study the second group, which is Ascomycota of kingdom fungi, and it is in fact the largest group of kingdom fungi, and it includes more than 60,000 species. The name of the phylum Ascomycota is due to the reproductive structure, which is ascus. As we can see here, this is ascus, and inside the ascus, ascospores are present. These ascospores are actually 8 in number, and we will study in next few slides that how this number is 8. And then we can see that they are terrestrial, mostly inhabited, but some species can be marine or freshwater, and they can reproduce both sexually and asexually. Asexually, they reproduce by the formation of conidia. Sexually, they reproduce by means of ascospores. They have hyphae, which is septate, and the example of this group is that of morels, truffles, yeasts and lichens. Now we will see the difference between dikaryon and diploid. Dikaryon condition is actually n plus n condition. कि इसमें अगर हम देखेंगे तो हाइफा में प्लाज्मोगेमी तो हो जाती है, फ्यूजन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म, लेकिन फ्यूजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता, और एज अ रिजल्ट वी कैन सी दिस इज n and this highlighted one is n2. So n plus n condition होती है. While in case of diploid we can see that it is 2n number, कि इसमें फ्यूजन हो जाती है, फ्यूजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस भी हो जाती है. So that is it, and now we will switch to the life cycle of Ascomycetes. We can see here that mating structures are seen here, and this is mating type A small, and this is mating type A capital, and when they fuse, plasmogamy occurs, and as a result of plasmogamy dikaryotic mycelium results. और इसी dikaryotic mycelium से ascocarp या जो फ्रूटिंग स्ट्रक्चर होता है एस्कोमाइसिटीज़ का वो डेवलप होता है. और यहाँ पर ये बात नोट करने वाली है कि डाइक्रियोटिक फेज जो है वो एक लेंथी फेज है, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एस्कोकार्प वी कैन सी दैट एसाई आर फॉर्म्ड. द सिंगल structure is asci, and inside asci we can see that dikaryotic condition is there, n plus n है, and when the fusion of nucleus takes place, it becomes diploid or 2n, and after meiosis ये 2 spores जो जहाँ fuse हुए हैं they are 4 in number now, and then as a result of mitosis we can see here that 8 spores are produced inside each ascus, and then these ascospores are released, and on germination these spores formed hypha. So yeast are they are unique. They are unique because they are unicellular microscopic fungi, and they are actually they reproduce actually sexually by means of ascospores or basidiospores, but mostly they reproduce by ascospores. That is why they are placed in Ascomycota, and they reproduce asexually by means of budding, and they are economically important because they are involved in the process of fermentation.